So tonight I am playing around with my hair. Okay. It's a cold season. We are in seasonal change, and normally seasonal change I normally lose a lot more hair, especially on winter time. So I'm a little bit concerned of it, of losing a lot. So I'm contemplating to maybe it's the time to go for a haircut because my hair is so dry and it's too long. There's not enough nutrition going to the end of it, so that is another concern. Being age is you need more hormones to basically feed your whole body, and when we are aging, our hormones amount our growth hormones are low in amount, and so that is how we are having problem. Why aging people are not growing anymore? Instead, we are melting, right? We're melting. We're losing our bones. We're losing our muscle tone, and we're losing the number one is hair that we always show in our daily basis of our health, that we as aging we see a lot of hair loss. So I'm contemplating to go for a haircut, and maybe you can help me decide. This was my hair when I started my online business. Just this much. Then I started my online business. So I'm contemplating, should I go this short or should I go not too radical? Because a little bit too scary, right? That short is not. Shall I go for shoulder length? I'm playing around with shoulder length. What do you think, guys? Will you let me know? What do you think? Shoulder length, two thumbs up, two thumbs up, shoulder length, or ear length, that short, one thumbs up. I'll appreciate. Help me decide, guys. Okay? Take care, everyone. And as usual, enjoy life. Be happy. There's something inside you that needs to go out. Let your happiness explode. Let it flows and enjoy life. That's doable as an online digital business owner, a stress-free work environment, flexibility of time and schedule. You can schedule your own work hours, portability. You can do it anywhere, any at home or anywhere you are around the world. So sign in my website at www.startwhereregina.com and let